Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable sounds on AOL Broker account. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for AOL Broker. Then next we're going to log in. So once you log in, we're going to click on Trade Now. Then next we're going to click on Settings. As you can see, the sounds option is turned on, so we're going to turn it off. So this is how easy it is. We also have different tutorials, so make sure you check them out. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I would see you again. Goodbye.